Hi guys, and in today's video
Hi.
I brought these random strangers I totally did not find from the public server.
Hello.
And we're going to be reviewing items and seeing how good they are for getting away when somebody has a shotgun and is trying to kill you.
Yay.
Grappler, 3 out of 10. Sometimes works.
Bro, we're starting with the weapon.
We're starting with weapons.
Alright.
Let's start with the stick. Let's start with the stick.
Okay, I'll get weapons, you'll get gadgets, you'll get the eat ones, and you'll get
Let me
you'll get
just
explosives.
oh, yeet.
Oh,
There we go.
I only have some. I only have this as explosives.
Oh.
I have. Oh shoot!
I have
Okay, you're
every
gonna get the
single. I
explosives.
actually have every single item in the game unlocked.
Okay, you're gonna be the one. You're gonna be the one.
Did you just do that?
Oh crap!
Alright, so
Let's start with the stick.
yes, stick.
Look.
OP.
I'm coming back.
Stick. Let's all give our ratings. Let's see. I'm gonna rate it at 4 out of 10. It's pretty good. Does a lot of damage, but it breaks extremely fast.
Wait, how
Look.
how much does it do?
It does like nothing.
Okay, it doesn't.
I can
I'm not doing
Okay,
like one of the
Here's
10
my
because
review. Here is
it
my
breaks like you
review
said, and
of
it
this
it doesn't do like that much damage.
Yeah, I said it does a pretty great amount of damage. I mean, like a pretty great amount of damage for
I'm looking for
zero
Ray with
knots.
the crown.
Oh.
Is anybody
okay.
healing now?
Okay,
Why?
yeah,
Because
I'm
that's
recording.
doing like quite
Okay,
a bit.
We are.
I'm recording.
So
So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we were gonna do item organizing. With
and I'm
Stick.
recording too.
He is too. And sorry for the bloodshed.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
first off, Stick. 10 out of 10. Beginner item, 0 nuts.
Oh, true,
That
true.
sounded so weird.
True.
Second
Okay.
item.
Let me.
For some
okay,
reason,
we all have to
bone-
rate the weapon. Let me get one.
For some reason, the bone is 29. It's the same as the stick. It's
There
the
you
exact same.
are.
No, the bone I rate at 5 out of 10. Does more damage. But I rated a 5 out of 10. Does more damage, but that's really the only difference.
It does no more damage. It's the exact same, but just a skin. And
Yeah.
it's completely useless. Can you stop hitting me? I'm gonna die.
Hey,
Okay, you're my friend.
Okay, never.
Bro, what
Hey,
hit
dude,
and
you're
I'm
my
dead?
Nice.
One hit and I'm dead, bro.
Okay, you're good.
Leave him alone.
I'll try to answer why I built until my berry gun never take cage.
Okay.
Third weapon.
Okay, what are we doing now?
Flare.
The third gun.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Best firework in
Watch
the
that. No,
entire.
guys, watch it. Watch it.
Flare. 10 out of 10. Best firework in the entire game.
Grandma.
It is also
so
the
Grandma.
cheapest firework in the entire game. Woohoo!
I just wanted him out of here.
Alright.
I was honestly getting pretty mad. Do you own nut shredders? We need to clean this up.
Yeah, I own every item in the game.
Okay, yeah, just give me the nut shredder.
Alright.
Start shredding me, boy. Okay, guys, next. The tung bag. Just the bag. But,
Hold on. The bag. 10 out of 10. Because tongue sahur.
I mean, I would rate it an 8.2.
I am Batman.
Ow!
I am Batman.
Why'd you kill us? Why'd you kill us?
I
Alright, you can stop now.
am Batman. Okay, leave me alone.
Okay.
Next item. This does a bunch of damage. Wait, test it on me, Aposa. Test it on me.
Okay, watch. 2, watch.
He's dead. He's. only get 9.
Bad. 10 out of 10 because tung 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 tung.
Next.
Oh no. Hoppy Spy!
Yeah. He does no damage. I think they buffed it this past update, but they are going to nerf it. Next. This is like this used to be the pickaxe. This is like the pickaxe when you first began, and this is what you would use.
Crowbar!
This is like this is like the OG loadout. That is what you would use.
I always use that because I was
10
broken
out
up
of 10 because OG item!
Wait. Test on me for a sec.
Okay, first of all, we're not even to explosives yet.
Oh, I know. I've been on that. But hit me again. Dude, stop. Oh, I will
I am the king of Animal Company.
No, you.
How dare you?
You come with me.
Alright, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna review the next item.
I bet. Do I just be the test subject?
You're basically gonna be the test subject, and if we're testing items, we're gonna test how good the gadgets. You're basically gonna be the enemy trying to kill me and see how good gadgets are at doing their job, aka getting you away from the enemy or something.
Okay.
By the way, I muted both of y'all when I went on channel 1, so y'all can't speak for here without me not listening.
Oh my god, dude! You're so annoying!
So, yeah, the axe.
The brand new hatchet.
10 out of 10 because 99
No, I'm the
nights in
test
the...
subject! I'm the
He's the test
You're the
subject.
test subject. Okay, you're the test dummy. How much damage?
Okay, yeah.
Count how many hits.
That only does this much.
2, 3. Yo, let me have some fun. Can I kill him? 4,
Oh yeah, you can.
5, 6, 7, 8,
I don't know
9,
what
10,
they did.
11, 12, 13,
14,
15,
15, 16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
This is so useless. Look. No damage. It's in the melee section. It's in weapons. This should not be in weapons. Look. If you throw it, it doesn't even come back all the way.
Boomerang 0 out of 10 because it's
0 out of 10.
absolutely garbage. Lant 10 out of 10. In the OG days, I used to always use this.
8.3.
Yeah, me too.
The only reason it sucks is because the mobility. Oh, dang, actually. Never mind, it's faster. It's faster than it used to be. But also another bad thing.
Also, I'm gonna lower I'm gonna lower my 10 out of 10 because every time I use it, my controller bugs out. So I'm gonna lower it to
That
a
only
9
does a
out
little
of
bit
10.
damage. Wait, do it again.
Bro, guys, we forgot to count how many hits it takes.
Hey, can somebody give me the ghost face?
Everybody, stop hitting me. I'm gonna give him an MRE and then we're gonna count how many hits. Orange, stop!
Okay.
Give me that and I'm gonna count how many hits.
Oh gosh. Next item.
But before we do the next item, let's see
Oh
how
my
many
goodness.
hits the Lance take. Eat that MRE, sir. 1.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, I
Okay.
didn't even do a thing.
1,
Oh, stuck.
2. Bro, Black, you're our test dummy, by the way. Why are you going without us, bro? I didn't even rate this.
It's it's my video.
Yeah, but it's mine too.
Yeah, it is. Wait.
Yeah,
pause.
I'm recording a video too, buddy.
Wait, pause.
For what it is.
Actually, is it his video because he coded fast
And also the hammer.
and you didn't?
Bad.
Bad. Also, this is so much better than the lance. It's not as long.
Okay,
Can I
the
have
pickaxe on my video. I'm gonna rate this. 7 out of 10. Pretty good.
I need. Bro, this is the
10 out of 10.
OG loadout, man. OG.
Golden
Yeah,
pickaxe.
I'll be.
Golden
This is
pickaxe.
OG. This is OG, man.
You're gonna be my test subject, all right? I'm
Okay,
gonna
now
rate
do
it
it.
based on how fast it kills you. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. It's good at mining and murdering.
Guess what? Whoa, this does more damage than this. That's
Nice. So, cute pickaxe. Cute pickaxe, 10 out of 10. Cute pickaxe. Let's try killing this man again. Nah, it's gonna be about 9 hits, basically. 10 out of 10 because 10 out of 10 because Minecraft. 10 out of 10
Why do you
because
say that?
Minecraft.
Oh. Wait, is he still in the water?
Hammers.
Animals? I mean, wait.
Let's see
I
how
mean,
good of a knockback
You
they
know,
have. Let's see
you
how good
know
of.
why? You know I like these because after you have 1 HP.
Hey, Beryl, let's see how good the knockback is.
Boom!
Well, let's see how good the knockback with 2 hammers is.
Fight to the death, Swifties. Fight to the
Yeah.
death. What the? Boom! Boom! 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Boom! Wait! Wait!
Let's fight instead of running.
Wait, that didn't count. That didn't count.
That isn't fair because I had 2 and you had 1.
Yeah, okay, now? Do we stop?
I need to get to max.
Yeah, just do that, okay?
Alright. Sorry for making this video take extra long.
Now,
Bye!
guys. You're good. Weep. Boom! Boom!
Come here, buddy!
Oh, I need that. Oh, I'm about to die.
Why are you running and not fighting?
Okay. I can't. I'm about to die. Oh shoot. Boom. Okay, I'm at 1
missed.
You scared me. Hey, Bobby. Dude, leave me alone.
Hey, buddy.
How did you?
Final ball.
Oh no.
No. Okay, just come straight on at me. This is taking way too long.
Weeb.
Bro, just come straight on at me. This is taking way too long.
Oh yeah, Trev.
Come on, bro. Face me like a man.
Well, I am a man.
Then face me.
I'm not a man. I'm just a boy. Weeb.
Bro, just come face me. Sorry for this.
Yeah, 360. Oh shoot. Boom. Oh. Weeb. How did you just? How did Bo just do that? Boom. Well.
Dang it! Come face me like a man, buddy.
I did. I hated you one time. Weeb.
Okay, let's just move on to the next item. Okay. Pinata. Best item in the entire game.
That's not fair.
The pinata is getting rated 10 out of 10. Alright, and that's it for today's rating.
Okay.
See you guys later.
Bye bye.